today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, this is literally an emergency video. I was here driving with the Foldbot. Actually, I'm still in my live vest. But then I took out my phone and I saw something crazy. Actually, something I was talking about earlier. You remember how I was posting this video here. Bitcoin, this is scary. 19 hours ago, because Bitcoin was dumping afterwards down like crazy. However, there was one scenario I was pointing out. One last hope for the Bitcoin bulls. I was pointing out, and this is this potential W pattern unfolding. This is literally the last chance for Bitcoin, and as you can see, we are following this trajectory right now. After the big sell-off and the break of the descent of the falling wedge, Bitcoin was bouncing up, rejected by the previous support, which is then turning into resistance and then breaking down. What I was saying yesterday is, guys, we need the bounce right here. And you know what? Before I continue and tell you my price targets for Bitcoin, let me quickly circle back to the video I was posting earlier. Look at this little clip here. And as you can see, this is exactly what happened. If we are going here over into the chart, we got the bounce right now. The only question is this going to unfold actually in a W reversal pattern for Bitcoin? Or are we going to get rejected? Well, the answer is going to come very, very soon, because as you can see, the previous downward sloping support is now turning into resistance. And if Bitcoin goes higher here, coinciding with the break of the new resistance, we will also break here this neckline from the W pattern. So if I am going over and showing you the horizontal ray here, look at this. You can see perfectly confluence of resistance coming in approximately at the price targets of 51,000 to 52,000 US dollars. If we are getting a 4-hourly close above that, well guys, blue skies ahead for Bitcoin. Otherwise, we would be creating lower highs for Bitcoin. So this will be definitely the moment of truth for Bitcoin. We have to break the 52. We have to close above the 52, and we have to close a 4-hourly candle above the 52,000 US dollar area. Actually, in fact, if I were to go over here, this was the sentiment yesterday, and now you can let me know right now in the comment section down below, what is your sentiment right now? Do you think we are going to fulfill this W pattern? And obviously, leave the comments down below, because I want to interact at least with 20-30 people of you. If you are commenting down below, upvote each other's altcoins. I want to know what is your sentiment. If I'm going over here, I want to tell you, of course, also what is my price target if this W pattern would be unfolding. And in the end, I have one single metric, which almost no one is, actually one person is looking at it. And this is a metric which is extremely important to point out. But as you can see here, if this W pattern would unfold, the price target brings us all the way back above 60,000 US dollars. And 60,000 US dollars, I mentioned yesterday, as the most crucial level for Bitcoin to close above in December, because the monthly candles are right now breaking the trend. If we are closing above 60,000, we are back in the trend. We are back in the bull market narrative, also on the higher time frames. But there's one single indicator almost no one is looking at. And here I want to give a big shout out to my friend Crypto Jack, because he is looking at it. Let me go here over to the daily candles, and let me pull out this one single metric I want to talk about, and that's the RSI on the daily. Because when we are zooming out, you can see that on the daily, let me quickly zoom out here, you can see whenever Bitcoin was dumping down on the daily into the oversold territory, namely the 30 on the RSI right here, we were bottoming out for Bitcoin. Let's look at the next one. Right here, we were bottoming out for Bitcoin. And guess what? Right now with this dump, we were dumping back down again into the 30 oversold territory for Bitcoin. So this metric alone, this metric put alone, is a very bullish metric for Bitcoin. However, we need the follow-through, we need volume, and we need the important 52,000 US dollar for Bitcoin to break and to close above. This is what I wanted to tell you today. This is my emergency update for today. And no matter if I'm half naked sitting in a live vest here after surfing, or if I'm in the office or somewhere in my car, I will always push these updates to you, because you are the most engaged and most lovely community in the world. Yesterday's video, again, 13,000 likes. This is unseen in crypto space. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for your support and for smashing up the like button, sharing this video among your friends. And obviously, guys, you know, down below, we got you sorted. You not only get less than a 10,000 US dollar bonus for free on Femex, Bybit, and so on. You can also join our Twitter VLaunch.com channel channel. This is literally almost the last chance for you, as we are launching in a few days. Join the family right now and join it before it's too late. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, by the way, quick shout out to Mo and also to Anson Tan. We have Mo right here and we have Anson Tan right here. Also YouTuber. Bye bye, guys.